Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to blur out a part in a video using InShot. Maybe you are walking in the street and you want to show, for example, a vehicle plate number and you want to blur out that part. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So I'm going to use this video as an example. I'm going to try to blur out the plate number. So what I have to do is to click on stickers, go to details, and click on blur. You're going to choose the blur and adjust it the way you want so that it will fit perfectly to what you want to blur out. After that, you click on apply. Extend the blur for the entire video. But normally, when the video plays, this blur is going to be out of the frame. This is the part where you need the tracking feature. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Click on the blur timeline and go to tracking. Click on the blur you want to track and start tracking. It's going to take a few minutes to enable this tracking. After that, you go back and play the video. As you can see right here, the blur is tracking the plate number. Even as the video plays, it's going to keep the place blurred. So that's how you apply blur in InShot with tracking. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.